Welcome to the channel Tech Unbox Pro, friends. Today, we are diving deep into the Sony Xperia 1V 5G, one of the most anticipated smartphones of 2026. From its design, display, and performance to the camera and user experience, we cover everything in this full review. Starting with the unboxing, the Xperia 1V comes in Sony's signature premium packaging. Inside, you'll find the phone itself, a fast charger, USB-C cable, SIM ejector tool, and a few manuals. The design is sleek and modern, featuring a glass front and back with an aluminum frame, giving it a luxurious yet sturdy feel. The weight is perfectly balanced, making it comfortable to hold for long sessions, whether you are browsing, gaming, or capturing photos. Moving to the display, the Xperia 1V sports a 6.5-inch 4K OLED HDR screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, contrast is excellent, and text and images look ultra-sharp. Watching movies, playing games, or scrolling through content feels immersive and smooth. Sony's cinema-wide display technology brings a truly cinematic experience right into your hands. The camera system is where the Xperia 1V really shines. Equipped with a triple lens setup, including wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses, this phone is designed for both enthusiasts and professional photographers. Low light performance is strong, the portrait mode captures fine details, and video recording supports 4K at 60 FPS. The built-in Sony Alpha camera technology ensures the results are as close as possible to a professional camera. Under the hood, the Xperia 1V runs on the latest high-speed processor paired with 12GB RAM, delivering flawless multitasking, gaming, and app performance. The phone handles heavy apps and high-end games without lag, thanks to optimized software and hardware integration. 5G connectivity ensures ultra-fast download and streaming speeds, keeping you always connected. Battery life is strong and reliable, lasting a full day with moderate to heavy usage. The phone supports fast charging and wireless charging, so you can quickly recharge whenever needed. In terms of software, it runs the latest Android 14 version with Sony's unique optimizations, making the UI clean, smooth, and user-friendly. In conclusion, the Sony Xperia 1V 5G is a premium flagship smartphone that impresses with its display, camera, performance, and design. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, gamer, or photography lover, this device offers a top-tier experience that justifies its flagship status. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more latest mobile unboxings, camera tests, and tech reviews, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro and hit the notification bell. Share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about the Xperia 1V? Is it the flagship you've been waiting for in 2026?